Here's a pair of the JBL Endurance Peak 4 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an Android phone via Bluetooth. The Android phone that I'm using here is a Samsung Galaxy S25. So the first thing is, let's put the earbuds in the pairing mode, okay? So the buds are in the case here. Let me open these up, and now I'm going to pull both of these out. Now we'll know that it's in pairing mode if both of these are blinking blue, blue, blue. Okay, I get like a solid blue light and then mine turns off. The reason is because I'm connected to a different device, okay? I think I'm connected to one of my iPhones. So I have to manually put this in a pairing mode. How you do that is you simply grab one of the earbuds. It doesn't matter if you grab the right one or the left one. But what you want to do is you can put one in your ear, and then on the JBL symbol, you want to tap and then tap and hold and keep holding until it says pairing, okay? We'll go ahead and do the right one here, and I'll do it without putting it in my ear. Okay, ready? Tap and then tap and hold, and just keep holding until it says pairing or until it starts blinking blue on both of them. Oh, I got it right. So that now they're both blinking blue. Now I put them back into pairing mode. Okay, on the Android phone, you may get this little pop-up here. If this pops up, you can connect that way. If not, no biggie. Just simply go to your settings and then go to your connections, at least on this phone. Connections, go to Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth is on, and that little spinny thing right there is searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me, and it should show up under available devices. It's still in pairing mode. It did find the JBLs right there. Let's tap that. With these Android phones, you should get a pairing request. There you go. iPhones you don't, but Android you do. Pair. Now it's connected for calls, and I have 100% battery juice on these buds. So we're connected, ready to go. Now, if you had any kind of issue pairing or connecting, can't put it into pairing mode, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look below for that link in the description area.